Okay guys, this is my second video. It's way better than, I know it's going to be way better than my last one because my last one sucked.
It does not involve egg yolk.
What you're going to need is a water bottle. You're going to want to do this outside, but I want to do it inside because I'm a savage. Because it's dark outside, so I don't want you guys to be like, oh, this video sucks. So what you're gonna need is vinegar and baking soda.
And ginger. Baking soda.
And you're also gonna need, if you want to make it a different color, you're gonna need food coloring.
By the way, you need food coloring. You can add food coloring.
You don't have to have it though. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is pour your baking soda.
Can I pour the vinegar?
Into here.
Can I pour the vinegar?
Well, it's gonna take a little time. Okay. So I'm just gonna put my water in here real quick to clean it out.
What?
Okay.
Megan, check on her.
She's right here.
Why is she crying?
Okay, so then you put it back in here actually. You can add food coloring if you want. Okay, and then
Is that enough?
Yes, it is. So, Bunny, you might want to move your hand. You just, and then.
That burns!
No, it doesn't. But when you do it with food coloring, it's like 10 times, I swear. So, we're going to look for food coloring and we're going to do that for you guys.
Those right there are sprinkles.
Because we didn't have anything
Horrible,
else to do.
not sugared sprinkles.
Okay,
Tastes
go
like
ahead.
grass.
Go ahead, do it.
So we're gonna pour the baking soda.
Oh, nice. There wasn't any vinegar in there. I thought there was. That's enough.
Okay, there we go.
Wait, actually, I'm going to put a lot in this one.
By the way, make sure to go check out our cornstarch video.
Yeah, we're going to do that after this. Like, in literally.
These sprinkles do not buy. Do not. They are disgusting.
Just because we have some in the sink. I'm just going to do this real quick.
Oh, that is awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Our sink is overflowing.
Okay, so now she's going to.
Epic.
Okay, now she's going to pour the stuff in.
No, you can pour it in.
Oh, go ahead. You need to view this.
Volcanic eruption.
Oh my gosh, it like stuck to it.
Whoa. Oh my god, it looks like it literally just hit the
And we're
camera.
gonna do another video, and it's gonna go up like 10 times higher, and it's gonna be
like way up
green.
here.
So, okay, so that's the end of the vlog. Signing out. Bye, guys.
Chili in there.
So